Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes or comment. So first of all, I will be just open my Facebook application on my mobile device as well, and we will move in the right bottom corner option is the menu. Now I will be just tab on my profile with the username, and you will see I want to just change my profile picture as well. Just tap on this camera icon, and you will be just selected suggested photos. You will see I want to just tab on it more. And example, if I just tab on it, this one, this profile picture, and I want to just tab on it to save. So after setting profile picture, so in this way you will just have to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes or comments. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.